Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover accounts with Yahoo detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your Yahoo account, start by visiting the Yahoo sign-in helper page. Enter your Yahoo email address or mobile phone number linked to your account. Click on the Continue button afterward. Yahoo will display a list of options to verify your identity. Choose the preferred method to receive a verification code. This could be via a mobile number or a recovery email. If you select a mobile number, If you opt for a recovery email, look in your email inbox for a message from Yahoo. Once you receive the code, enter it in the designated field on the Yahoo page. Click the Verify button to proceed. If the code is correct, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and meets Yahoo's criteria. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again. Click on Continue to finalize the password reset process. Once completed, you should gain access to your Yahoo account. If you do not receive the verification code, click on I didn't get a code. From there, you can request a new code or select another recovery option. If you no longer have access to any recovery options, click on I don't have access to this email address or phone number. Follow the on-screen prompt. If you succeed in answering the questions, you may be able to regain access. If all methods fail, consider contacting Yahoo customer support for further assistance. Provide them with as much information as possible to verify your identity. Once your identity is confirmed, they may provide other options for account recovery. Remember to keep your recovery information updated for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.